Elliot, what do I always say?
Pawns can't be kings.
What can they be?
Free.
That's right. Free to roam. No heavy crown weighing us down.
Round 3.
Listen, I have to take a fall in the third. Don't worry. It's gonna look a lot worse than it really is. I love you, son. You never forget that.
Look straight. Lean forward. Lean forward. Sample. Stand up. Jacket. Your shoes. Your trousers. Sample. Sit down. Breathe.
DCI Hawks, is he here?
On.
Where's DCI Hawks? Or, Victoria. Victoria. Detective Chung. Is she here? Wait. Where are we?
His readings are stable. I'll be back to check on him.
Who knows he's here?
No one, sir. All yours.
Please confirm your name. Elliot Carter. I'm an undercover police officer with the Metro.
The questions I ask, please. You were present at the Hotel Reno last night, correct?
Correct.
And you came in contact with Sean Wallace at what time?
Around 0400, 4:30. Between those two times.
And you left the location at what time?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I didn't stop to check my watch when your people started shooting at me.
What were you running from?
I just told you.
No, Elliot. You didn't.
What department you say you were with again?
Sean Wallace blew up a building 2 days ago. That's an act of terrorism.
Terrorism?
So, I need to know why you went to meet him last night.
What's that? What's in the bags?
Now you are asking the right questions.
What's going on?
There have been reports of an explosion in the city tonight at the Belvedere Tower.
Emergency services arrived in record time, just moments
As the
after
area was cleared, the extent of the damage became apparent. News of the Belvedere Tower collapse has overshadowed what should have been a morning of celebration for Nazir Afridi and his party. Here's what the new Mayor of London had to say.
I come to office in the advent of a disaster which has shook London. Thankfully, the recently completed Belvedere Tower had not yet opened, and no lives were lost. The emergency services have been working through the night to eliminate any immediate danger to our civilians, and as always, the people of London have come together in the spirit that they are known best for.
Mr. Afridi, do you have any more information about what could cause a new building
to collapse.
For now, I can confirm a thorough investigation is underway to determine the cause of the blast which took down Belvedere Tower. So I ask you all to remain vigilant, and as your new mayor, I will do everything in my power to protect this city from harm.
His death's on us, Vicky. Anthony was a good cop. How do I explain that to his family? Tell me, how the fuck do I explain that, Vicky?
I just need you to listen to me. Look, I know, wait.
I'm going after Elliot.
What?
He can stand trial with Sean Wallace. I want you to talk to Elliot's girlfriend, Shannon Domani. Get as much information from her as you can before they shut this thing down. I'm sorry, Vicky. I know how much you put into it.
I don't know where Sean is. Give me time. I'll get him away from London.
He shot me, Marion. He could have killed me.
But he didn't. For Christ's sake, Ed, we're family.
He took down their building. They want you and Sean dead, Marion. And if I don't deliver that, Alexander dies. Tell me where he is, and I'll spare Billy and Jacqueline.
You've got our investors' attention.
Good. Soon they'll have the world's attention. Every building I take down will bring more questions.
They want to meet. Face to face, make a deal.
Face to face.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll send you my address. We go together. Okay, brother?
Yeah.
We've unlocked that cop's foe for you, Mr. Wallace.
Sean, mate, where the fuck are you? I'm out here by myself. Look, we're gonna be stronger if we're together. But I don't know where you are, so... call me, please.
Reno. That's gonna bug me. In what state is Reno situated?
Nevada.
Okay, let's get back to it. Why did you run when the officers arrived on the scene, Elliot?
For my safety.
Police have the right to shoot a suspect who runs. You know that. So why did you shoot back?
I was confused.
Or maybe you were acting on an order.
What?
Who gave you the order to run when the police entered the building?
No one.
Mr. Duncan.
No one. I don't know what it is. Answer him. Answer him.
Come on now. Who ordered you? You're pissing me off, Elliot.
No one ordered me! I don't know what you're talking about. Talk to Victoria, Detective Chung. She's my handler. Or Hawks, DCI Hawks, talk to Hawks, he'll back me up. Talk to Hawks, he'll tell you everything.
Hawks. Yes, your superior. Hawks. No, I don't think he will. We're your only friends now, Elliot. You're on your own.
No, I didn't do that. I didn't do that.
I want to know about the people who invest in the Wallaces. I want to know if you had any contact with them. And I want to know who the fuck you are working for now. Because it ain't Her Majesty's police.
Mr. Kapadia.
Here's where we're at. I've been on the phone to Asia all night, and our clients have been completely reassured that their assets are all safe. When America wakes up, I'll be on the phone first thing to New York, and then the West Coast. To know our underwriters have been working overtime. But guys, I am telling you, there is nothing to worry about.
Mr. Kapadia, your time has run out.
We can help you, or you can help yourself.
You're very kind, Minister. My son is a genuine person. I'm on my way to see him, and I'll pass that on.
Right. Thank you.
Henry, I'll walk the last block.
He won. Nasir Afridi, he won.
Yes, actually, Nasir is my son.
Oh, he's such a lovely man. I just met him at the victory party. You must be so proud of him.
I am. Asif Afridi.
Pleasure to meet you.
And what is your name, my dear?
Nasir got my vote.
We're all looking forward to hearing him speak.
Oh, Mr. Afridi, are you after Nazir? He took a meeting with a journalist. They're upstairs.
Thank you. Nasir. Oh, thank God. I don't know what I was thinking. बच्चा छीन लिया बच्चा
Well?
It's done.
You got what you wanted.
Feel nothing. Nothing at all.
At least honor his death with satisfaction.
You are judging me.
Why did you come back here? I've helped you get Asif. What do you expect from me?
Nothing. I'm going back to Kurdistan. I'm not like you. I only wanted to hurt one man. All the other bloodshed's because of you.
You're prepared to let your own family die.
That's the reality of my struggle. We suffer. This life's a choice for you.
I didn't choose this.
Every penny I make goes back to Kurdistan. I stand for the freedom of my people. Who do you stand for now, huh? Your business is over. Your family's being hunted down.
Why are you here?
Fuck you, Sean Wallace.
Please leave your message after the tone.
Stephen, it's Alex. I have a solution to our problem. I'm on my way over. It's gonna be okay.
Did the investors kill Jivan Kapadia?
I don't know anything about any investors.
I know you're lying, Elliot, but that's okay. We'll get there. What took you so long to get to Sean? Elliot. Tell me how you found him.
Billy! His brother, Billy! Billy, can you hear me? I can't find Sean. I'm worried about him. He's on his own, Billy.
Listen, Bill, you're safe. I know you are, but he's not. Everyone's turned against him. Everyone wants to hurt him.
Just tell me where he is, so he doesn't have to be alone.
Bill. Billy.
It's an old hotel by Dagenham Docks. It got ruined in the 70s. It's now a club run by Yardies. They still rent rooms there. I'll keep one for when I need to escape. If I was Sean, that's where I'd be. Room 307, Hotel Reno.
Thank you.
Don't thank me. Just keep my brother safe. And if anything happens to him, if anyone hurts him, I'll kill you, Elliot.
Ready?
Yeah.
I've got eyes on Elliot Carter. He's just finished up on a call and he's heading east on Markfall Road.
Stay on him. We're on our way. Carter's heading east on foot. With any luck, he'll lead us to Sean Wallace. Let's go. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How did we get here?
Finn. Finn Wallace charmed us all to death.
And you chose him. You broke my heart.
I tried. I'm exhausted, Marion. Exhausted.
Let me get Sean away from here.
I can't. Marion. I'm sorry.
Shannon Damani? Yeah? Can I have a word? I want to know about your ex-husband, Stephen Young. What about him? You say he's in prison, but I couldn't find any of his records. I did find the missing persons report his mother filed in 2016. People go missing all the time. Are you protecting Shannon? Your dad? Your brother. Look, I know your husband wasn't good to you.
No, you know fuck all.
You've got a good poker face. Could use someone like you on the inside. I need an informant.
You are out of your mind.
And I would hate for social services to think that there was anything wrong with Danny's welfare.
You fucking threatened me again.
I don't give a fuck how some wife beater met his end. But if leaning on this gets you on my side, then yeah. I just want Sean Wallace, Shannon.
I only told Elliot he was in prison. Does he work for you?
Elliot's no longer on the case. He fucked up too many times. You'll never see him again.
So he's police?
Was. Look, I know you're not like your family. And I know you just want to protect Danny. I get it. But is this really the best life you want for him? Think about it. Come and work for me, and I promise I will get you both out.
Does anyone else know that you're here? Because if my dad finds out...
No. Just between us.
I'm sorry, I just need a moment.
Come on, Vicky, pick up. Pick up, pick up, pick up.
Hello, this is Days Mechanics. Please leave a message and we'll get back to you.
It's me. Sorry I ignored your calls. Look, I've got Sean Wallace's location. I'm bringing him in. This is it. He's gonna stand trial. Hotel Reno, Dagenham Docks. Room 307, that's all I've got. I'm sorry, Vic. I'm gonna make sure this has all been worth it. And Vic, look after yourself, okay?
There's a lot you don't know about me.
What the fuck?
Mr. Carter.
Did the investors get to you before Reno, Elliot? Who are you working for? What was said? What did they have you do?
Carter is on the move.
Don't let him out of sight. I'm preparing an SFO unit.
glad you made it, Elliot. Come on up, my friend.
Assembling SFO units outside Hotel Reno, over.
This is DCI Hawks. We're waiting for Carter to bring Wallace out into the open. Await my instruction. We can't afford any more casualties.
Sir, confirming that Carter has entered the building. It's pretty crowded in here.
I'm here to see Sean.
Who are you?
Elliot.
Arms up.
What?
No weapons in here, mate. We're a hippie commune. I'll look after that for you.
So you got to Billy?
We're worried about you, mate.
It's very sweet of you, Elliot. Belonged to Anthony. That undercover you went after. Dead. Along with Colin, apparently. Had some interesting messages, too.
Messages about you. And the people you work for. You fucking snake. You disgust me. There's nothing worse than your kind.
I can think of worse.
I let you into my home the day of my dad's funeral. You snivelled your way into my family using some lie about a dead wife and child.
It's not a lie.
Who are you?
Just police?
No. You're messed up. Why do you want to take me down?
It's not personal. You're a criminal.
You have to request to go undercover. You didn't have a life, did you? Now you're fucking a gangster's daughter. Is that exciting for you?
I don't give a shit what you think about me. My whole life, I've seen people like you get away with it. Do you think you're special? Different rules apply. And you're right. Most of the time.
It's some righteous mission.
No. It's just a mission.
I think you've enjoyed this job. The man, taking down the Wallaces, gave you a purpose.
Otherwise, you're just a nobody. I've got something very special lined up for you.
Who are you working for, Elliot? Elliot, give me a name. Elliot, give me a name. A name. Elliot. Elliot, give me a name.
That's enough.
Elliot.
Forensics need a word. And I need to check his vitals.
And be quick. He's running out of time.
Elliot, you've done really well. Now I need you to listen to me really carefully. Do you understand?
Thank you. Hello, Elliot. Thirsty? Huh?
I need to make a call.
What the fuck did you just say to me?
You want me to tell you about them? I need to speak to my dad.
Oh.
I need to say goodbye.
Do not fuck with me, Elliot. Hmm? No more chances now.
Hello?
Hello, Dad.
Elliot? Is that you?
Yeah. Yeah, it's me.
Where have you been?
Dad.
I've been
Dad,
calling
listen.
and calling.
Got into a bit of a scrape, haven't I? It's gonna look like I took the fall in the third. But I'm gonna take it all the way.
Where are you, son?
You remember that place we used to talk about travelling to?
Sure. I know what you mean.
How about you make a head start?
So soon?
Yeah. Yeah. I'll catch up with you. Oh, Dad. You was wrong about one thing, hmm? Pawns can be kings. I love you, Dad. Never forget that.
I've kept to my word. Now you keep to yours. Hmm? Tell me everything you know about them.
When I found out who you were, I wanted to crack your skull open. Then I realized you might be the only way for me to get what I want. My father was hiding cash for our so-called investors. Funds meant for hospitals or schools in some piss-poor corner of the world. Real corruption. A building I blew up. 80% of the capital used came through tax havens. All the people involved. All the companies. Years of information. Years of implication on there.
Why are you doing this?
Ah, got it wrong. I've been punishing the wrong people.
You want me to go after the people you work for?
The buildings they own. There are bodies in the foundations. Work with me. These people will never see the inside of a prison, Elliot. They build them.
Now you sound righteous.
I'm on a fucking crusade.
What about Alexander?
He already chose his side of the fight.
Stop. Raise your arms.
apartment is looking just like a corridor. By the end of the night, I'll need a coroner.
I'm asking you to look beyond the circus. Take down the real Sherman.
Alex Domani.
Let him in.
Brother. How are you?
I need to speak to Sean alone.
No, Elliot stays.
Okay, then let's me and you go.
No. We're all staying right here. Say what you've got to say. I know there's no investors waiting.
You fucked it, Sean. What did you expect to achieve? Directly attacking our investors. The Wallace organization's hanging on by a thread. They killed Finn. Now, Jeevan, you can't win. What, something funny?
Yeah. You still think any of this means anything? Wake up.
Think about what we built.
It's all sand and lies.
And billions of fucking pounds! Which we could have lived on! Spent, invested, done whatever the fuck we wanted! You know, people kill for this.
My father must have recognized himself in you. Your filthy greed.
Fuck you.
If you want to take his place, you're going to need to be good at more than just numbers. If you do this, Alex, you'll never come back from it. I promise you.
No one else knows you like I do.
The shit we've survived. There's no one on the planet like us. No one.
It's too late, Sean.
If you kill me, Alex, you'll be alone. You know that, don't you? You think you can do it? You're not an evil boss like your dad.
Shut up.
How many has he killed? Fucking gravedigger. We're nothing like our fathers, Alex.
It doesn't fucking matter now, does it? Because I don't have a choice. You
do.
Took that away from me.
You have a choice. You're the smartest person in the room. Cleverest man I know. We can work this out, Alex. It's me and you. Think about it. I mean, really think about it.
I have thought about it.
I fucking love you, Alex.
Shut the fuck up! Shut up!
We started together. We can fucking take them down together. Me. And you.
What? It's all right.
Mr. Carter?
Sean Wallace must never stand trial. Alex Dumani must remain in play. That is non-negotiable.
Charlie Bravo 62, what's your ETA on arrival?
Who are you people?
Cover your mouth, Alex! Cover your mouth! Cover your mouth! Here! Here! You go! Come on! Come on! Go! Let's go! Ready? Yeah.
Elliot, it's over. Get out the way. Move. Get out the way. Move. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Face down.
Wait, stay down! Stay down!
Elliot Carter. Come on, Wally.
Go!
Idiot, Alex! Stand down! Stand down! Alex!
Here, Alex! Help me! Go! Get the fuck out of here! Go!
Get the fuck out of here.
Just go! Stop! Through the gate! Go! Fucking go!
Do you understand what we are asking of you, Mr. Carter?
We know you have lost loved ones before.
You have a chance to save their lives.
Sean Wallace is dead. I repeat, Sean Wallace
The people who wanted Sean Wallace dead. Tell me how to find them, Elliot. You've only just brushed up against them. I've been on this for years. Help me.
about me.
You can be whoever you want to be. You can go wherever you want to go. We're offering a life few get to live.
Trust us.
The people I work for sent you a message.
Okay.
I am protected under diplomatic immunity by the Republic of Panama.
He's saying he's working with them. Panama, what now? Fuck!
You have just bought your way into a very dangerous world, friend.
Well done, Elliot. We'll be in touch.
Marion. I'm going to help you.
Woke out the door with her, you could see everyone dressed in black, a class that seemed too far to finish. She said, look at you, the game is over. Your cup is full, stop praying for more exposure. It is obvious that you're trying, dubious struck will you die here. You're pretending but no one is buying. London is calling you. What are you waiting for? What are you searching for? I might be far in you, he said. Although it's not clear, I'm mourning you. But my preferred ways are not happening. I won't underestimate who I am, capable of becoming.